Thanks, Joe. Of course, it's so important to have that community support. And now kind of switching topics, maybe you're going to the gym and you're doing everything you can for your health, eating well, but you're not really feeling on the outside how you feel on the inside. So here to talk a little bit about that is Dr. Lydia Parker from the Parker Skin and Aesthetic Clinic. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you for being here.
My pleasure.
Okay, so we'll just jump right into it. How can we look younger this year?
There's so much we can do. There's so much technology and science today that makes looking younger and feeling better about ourselves easier than ever.
Okay.
So many people in 2018 might have a goal in mind. They might have a wedding coming up, they might have a reunion,
right.
They might be getting back into the job market, or some reason that they feel like they just want to feel better about themselves, want to feel like they look as young as they feel. And there's so much they can do.
Absolutely. So this is probably a topic that people have been throwing around in their mind for a couple years, and it's kind of hard to take that leap. Can you just break it down for us? What are the different things that you can do? Like there's Botox, there's fillers. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Right. There are things that are pretty simple and easy to do. Some people want to take baby steps
yes.
for it, sort of dip their toe in the
right.
water and, not dive in full force.
Okay.
So, for example, just a light chemical peel is something that can freshen you up, polish you up. There's something called a hydrofacial. We're talking about painless. We're talking about less than half an hour in the office to take skin that might be acne prone, might have brown spots, and just sort of polish it up and lighten discolorations. Even acne scars get smoother and lighter with a chemical peel or microneedling.
So that might be a great place to start for a lot of people, just kind of feeling fresh, getting rid of any of those marks or acne marks, like you said.
Exactly, with something that's quick and easy.
Okay, now what about the Botox and the fillers? Those are different, right?
Everyone knows about Botox today, right? Years ago, people weren't so sure about it. Some people had a fear of it, but today, getting your Botox is just as easy as getting your hair or nails done. It's actually quicker than a hair appointment.
Is it really?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely. If we talk for a while and catch up on the kids and the pets, it'll take 5 minutes, and yeah, it's really super quick and easy.
Now, is there like a healing period? Is this something you do on a long weekend?
Really isn't. You can literally get your Botox, run off to work, run and pick up the kids.
Okay.
It looks like tiny little mosquito bites on your skin for maybe 5-10 minutes that are gone by the time you get onto what you're doing next. So these days, gray hair is optional. Lines between your brows are optional. Forehead lines are optional. We all know that Botox fixes those. It's really something that's quick and easy.
And now what can we do around our eyes? That's obviously a problem area.
Right. So Botox not only smooths those vertical lines between the brows, but can lift our brows and give us smoothing of our crow's feet, smoothing of forehead lines. And this shows dark circle treatments. Today, dark circles are optional. And who doesn't have dark circles or tired under eyes? It's such a common thing.
Yes, and I've experienced that now that I have a child, the dark circles.
Makeup doesn't always hide it. Body contouring, a lot of people might have heavy arms or heavy thighs and just have certain spots, tummy, that they want to trim down, slim down.
Okay.
And body contouring treatments today, like Cool Sculpting and others, can kind of spot treat and trim down those problem areas. Some people work out really, work out and just have certain problem areas they can't fix. Spider veins on the legs, like we show here, are something that's easy to fix. So most people might just have certain issues that concern them most. If I only could fix that, I'd feel so much better about myself.
And this would be an easy way. There's baby steps, like you said, so that's good to hear. All right, so if you want any more information, there's 2 locations there. The phone numbers are up, theparkerclinic.com. Thank you so much for being here and giving us all that information.
Thank you for having me.